My name is Umar and I study in class 6 of Sir Syed Mission School.
My name is Kavya and I am in class 8.
My name is Yashmita and I am studying in class 8.
So we learned how to use artificial intelligence in the 8th board kit. So we learned how to use our hand gestures to control the car, to use our hand gestures to make it go forward, back, left, right, etc.
It is a robot controlled by hand gestures. So if we have a camera, like if we connect to a laptop or anything that have a camera and show hand gestures, like if I do like this palm, it will detect it and it will move forward, and if I do fist and it will move backward, and we can do a lot of things.
I would like to do the workshop again because it was really fun, and I like Avishkaar, like coding and robotics, and I'm interested in it. Avishkaar!